Hey, what's up, guys? Node Investor here. Want to talk quickly on Litecoin. Just wanted to send a quick alert out to you guys. Litecoin is moving out of range here. You can see it on the chart. It's no surprise. We've been watching Litecoin for a couple of weeks now. I've been mentioning it to you guys, letting you know to keep an eye on it, telling you it's been setting up. So this is the chart I mentioned a couple of weeks back. This was the daily, and I had put these lines in here as areas of resistance to keep an eye on. And so you can see the first line was around $31. It did try to move above a couple days back, shot right back down. Then 3 days had the little sell-off, but it closed above this longer-term moving average. And then here, recently, this big pop took it over that first line, and then today, moving out. Now, we've been in this range before, but we've never actually closed above it. So as I mentioned earlier, a close above 34-ish, 34 range, it's going to be a breakout. It looks like that's going to happen here, guys. It's looking really good. Volume's pretty decent. Not as big as I'd like to see it, but certainly not bad at all. So Litecoin's looking pretty good, depending on the exchange you're looking at. You know, this is versus Coinbase or GDAX. Right now, it's trading at around $36.80, $37. Was as high as $39 earlier. If we go to Poloniex, you can see Litecoin on the US dollar tethers, $36. But again, that's a breakout on this chart here. Again, GDAX, $36.80 or so. So Litecoin looking pretty good. Let's zoom in a little bit here on the 4-hour chart. So there you have it. So you can see Litecoin on the 4-hour. Beautiful move up here recently off this lows and has just been really strong. I've been noting the relative strength. I mentioned this a couple weeks back on the daily chart, showing how it was like a little bit of a double bottom setting up and looking really good. It looks like it's following through on that. So here's the big volume on the breakouts. You like to see that big volume when it pops. That just shows confirmation and conviction behind the move. So it looks like this little breakout's gonna hold. I'm gonna go ahead and call this a good breakout. So let's keep an eye on it here, guys. Litecoin super strong, high relative strength. I think, as I mentioned before, we're gonna see a retest of the old highs. That's gonna be around $50. We'll see what Litecoin does at that point. We could just continue to move higher beyond that, but that's going to be my near-term target, is that $50 area, as I've mentioned. So Litecoin looking really good on this breakout. If you want to get in on the breakouts, look for a little pullback. Would not be uncommon to see Litecoin pull back to the breakout area around 35, 34, and then start going back up again. So as long as we don't see a big volume sell-off reversal here, this breakout's going to hold. A lot of news on Litecoin right now. I mean, we saw a tweet out by Bitstamp here recently saying that Litecoin's going to be added Monday, June 19th. So that'll just add some more attention, more news to the Litecoin story. Litecoin has just seen a lot of good things here recently, a lot of positive news, seen some things line up for it in recent months. So long term, Litecoin is looking really good, guys. I'm been a fan of Litecoin for a while now, as you know. And I think this breakout just looks really good. Wanted to give you guys that quick update. Litecoin is breaking out.